Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Gpedit.MSC missing in Windows 10 Home Edition. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command from description and paste it into command window. Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive. Copy the file name from description and paste it. Right-click Rename, copy file name. Paste to command window. Open File Explorer. C drive. Copy second file name from description and paste it. Copy file name. Press up arrow key. Delete all texts up to packages \. Paste already copied. Type Gpedit.MSC in browser search bar. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.